Okay, so we're jumping into our next lesson, lesson 4, and let's see if you were able to complete the think about it on your own. Let's read and annotate. The rate of change on the left has been calculated for you. That's here. So the rate of change is 1/2. How they did that was they chose 2 points, and then they plugged it into that slope formula, which we learned in the last lesson. So use this work to calculate the rate of change for the graph on the right. So they want you to do the exact same thing with this graph here. Okay, so first we need to do is pick 2 points, any 2 points you want. So I see the point 0.9 and the point 2.5. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and label x1, y1, x2, y2, and plug it into my slope formula, which, if you forgot, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So my y2 is 5, my y1 is 9, my x2 is 2, my x1 is 0. So 5 minus 9 is -4. 2 minus 0 is 2. So this gives me a slope of -2 over 1. I do want you to keep slope as a fraction at all times. It's going to matter as we move forward. You can write it as this, but you're always going to have to turn it into a fraction later, so you might as well just get used to it. So something I want you to notice, right? Our first slope is positive. And our second slope is negative. So when you look at these graphs, you can tell if you're going to have a positive or a negative slope, because positive slopes go up and to the right, and negative slopes go down and to the right. Okay,